Like any other WordPress plugins, installing Elementor is quick and simple. There are two ways you can go about installing Elementor on your WordPress website. The first method, which I personally don't use, is you can head over to elementor.com and create an account. You can choose a plan just like this, and you can get started, or you can just come directly here, click on get started. It will ask you to choose the kind of website or design you want. You can see different templates, preview templates here. You can decide to choose any one and even preview the design before you go about installing them. So you have access to preview each design, then you can click on start with this design, and you'll be able to you'll be asked to pay for the basic plan to get started with. But for I don't actually use this method, mainly because I prefer installing it directly on my WordPress website instead. So that the first method is just for you to head over to elementor.com, click on get started. You need to choose your plan. You create an account with your email and your password. Then you will be asked to answer some few questions. You choose a template to use, and that's all. You need to integrate it with your website. But here, and the second method which I recommend, which is very easier and faster, is installing Elementor directly through your WordPress website. So I'm going to head over to my WordPress website. This is my website. So once you head over here, you need to come to plugins and click on add new plugin. Then in the search field here, you are going to type Elementor. And this is the plugin. So Elementor website builder. You can see that Elementor is actively installed currently on over 5 million plus websites. So the next thing you have to do is to click on install now. Once the installation is done, you need to click on activate to activate the plugin. Now it's going to bring you to a page like this. You are here. Let's set things up. So if you don't have an account, you need to create an account first. So right now I'm going to for now I'm going to skip this. Then everything starts with a theme. You can choose a theme, but I'm going to skip this. The name of my site is blog coding. I'm going to choose next. Then you can add your logo here, so that it's going to be your default logo, but I'm going to skip this for now, and I can decide to edit with a blank canvas with Elementor or choose a professional design. So this is how you go about installing Elementor on your WordPress website. So this is how the page builder is going to look like.